the voice.
Now okay, huh? Hello?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah,
Last
same.
time,
Okay.
last time we have seen account receivables. Now we will see accounts
Yes.
payables. Okay. See, payables means vendors. Correct no? Payables means vendors. Receivables means customers. Okay. Payable means vendors. Vendors means what? Sundry creditors. Vendors will call as a sundry creditors. Okay. First what I will do now, first I will create one group, then I will do the process. Okay, everything. How same like AR only, API will do. First step what I need to do means first I need to create one vendor group /n obd3. I will go here, new entries. I will create one group. Some Tirchi I will create. Yeah, Pondicherry. Okay, Pondicherry vendors. Ponduchery Pondicherry vendors. Save. First step, I will create one group. Second one, I will create the vendor number ranges for this group. /n xkn1 /n xkn1. I will go here. I will see one number 12, 14, 15. I will take 15 is available. I will go here. I will put 15. From number, I will take any number here. I will put all 999. I will remove. I will put 70000001199. I will put enter, save. Number range, because vendor number range also I created. Now next what I will do now, I will link this number range to my vendor group /n obas. I will go here. I will go to position. My group is Pondicherry vendor. Here I will link 15. Save. 3 steps are above. These are the main steps. First, I am creating one vendor group. Second one, I am creating the vendor number range. Third one, I am linking this vendor number range to my vendor group. Okay, like that we can create n number of groups like Pondicherry, Chennai, wholesaler, retailer. Like that, based upon the requirement, we can create n number of groups. For each group, each number range we need to link. Okay, now my vendor group is ready. Now next what I will do, I will create one vendor in Pondicherry /n xk01. Here I will go. Okay, here my group I will give Pondicherry, my company code, enter. Okay, here I will select something, Mr. Paul. Okay, some name Priya. Okay, street, something you give street. Okay, postal code. Okay, city Pondicherry. Okay, country, yeah, region. Pondicherry 32. Okay, enter. Here recon account is there. Okay, sundry creditors. Here cash management A1 standard. Now I will save. See, vendor is created successfully. If I want to check the list of vendors, means /n xk02. Here I will go. Okay, here if I click this one, here the list will come. How many vendors I created? Okay, see Roy is there. Now I have created a Priya. Okay, 2 vendors are there. Whatever the vendors you created, the list will come here. If you want, you can change anything. Address, yeah, some account details, everything. Now what will happen now? Now vendor is ready. Now for this vendor, what I will do now, I will post one vendor invoice /n f-43. Here I will go. Okay, here I will put the date. 31 is credit. See, vendor account entry will be vendor credit, debit will be purchase. Okay, vendor will be credit and debit will be purchase account. 31 is credit. Here I will select the credit. Credit. So I will select the Priya. Enter. Okay, here I will give 5,000. Okay, text I will give purchase invoice. Now credit over, next will be the debit. Debit will be the 40. Here I will give the purchase account. Purchase account. Enter 5,000. Sorry, 5,000 purchase invoice and save. See, document posted successfully with 19 series. Now I will go and check the balance /n FBL1N. I will go here. Okay, I will select the vendor. Okay, vendor name is Priya. Okay, here open is there, clear is there, all items is there. Open means I told you all the invoices will be in open only. Correct? No? Clear means once you paid fully, it will go to clear. All means it will show both invoices as well as payments. Now this is invoice, no? That's why it will be in open only. See, this is the invoice. This is the document number. This is the document type. This is the document date. This is the amount. If you want to see what is the account entry for this invoice means, you can double click here. Here we can give the document overview. Here if you see means see vendor is credit, purchase is debit.
1 minute. Screen has been stopped by like
Now
in account item itself.
now okay.
No,
Now clear?
no, the same page remains.
Okay. Now I will
Can I
double click.
rejoin it?
Now?
No, I'll rejoin. No, the same. I'll rejoin.
Okay.